Last month, police officers gathered in support of a deputy who was indicted in the shooting death of an unarmed black man. But on this Christmas Eve, it's the family of Jermaine McBean who wants their voices heard. Local 10 investigator Bob Norman reports.
Broward Sheriff's Deputy Peter Peraza is charged with manslaughter in the death of Jermaine McBean, whom he shot while on duty as McBean held an unloaded air rifle at his apartment complex. But the criminal charge didn't stop numerous fellow cops from applauding Peraza at a court hearing Monday.
It's a tragedy. It is not a party.
Today, the shooting victim's mother, Jennifer Young, called that show of support a disgrace, and now she's demanding an apology from Sheriff Scott Israel.
I would like the sheriff to apologize for his men. Okay, this is not the way you handle a department.
She said the ovation was just the latest outrage in her son's case, beginning with what the family alleges in this lawsuit was a cover-up. Peraza and other deputies testified that McBean had nothing in his ears to keep him from hearing their orders from behind to drop the rifle. But then this photo surfaced from a witness, clearly showing earbuds in his ears after the shooting. Peraza also testified that McBean aimed the gun at him, but that too is refuted by an eyewitness who told Local 10 it was over McBean's shoulders in a way that never threatened the deputy.
How in heaven's name he's going to get it down in any time to shoot, to turn around and point it to them.
The show of support was organized by the police union, and Young conceded there's no evidence the sheriff was involved in it in any way. But she said he should take responsibility.
The police is not above the law, and every one of them that go against the law and against the justice system, they do need to be held accountable.
Bob Norman, Local 10 News.
BSO did respond to Bob's message for comment from the sheriff prior to airtime, but we'll let you know if and when the sheriff weighs in.